where I'm from. Came alive when the music on the block came on. Extended drum breaks is how it all begun. DJ Kool Herc switching back and forth between songs. Got the crowd hype, he made the place hop. That's the start of hip hop.
Yo, DJ Kool Herc, man. You got hip hop started way back in the day. Man, let me tell you something. I love hip hop and rap music. They're always talking about all the cars and the money and yo. That's not hip hop. Okay, so what's hip hop? It's the spirit of the urban youth. The voice and mind of those who grew up poor in the city. Breaks spoke out for those in the slums, gave them something to say, helped them straight to their peers. It appeared for the youth that made something out of nothing, gave them something to do. Kids needed to celebrate, created their own art, expressing themselves. Hip hop comes from the heart. Yo.
Came alive when the music on the block came on. Extended drum breaks is how it all begun. DJ Kool Herc switching back and forth between songs. Got the crowd hype, he made the place hop. That's the start of hip hop. How I came up.